Hey everyone, let's take a look at this stock market analysis. We are going to buy and sell stocks. We are looking at trading. So right now I'm in this website of Yahoo Finance and this is my stock of choice. You can buy any stock, whatever you want to. Looks like these are the trending stickers. You can look into this stock, Williams Sonoma, or you can look into AMC, whatever is good for you. Alright, so let me take a look at this AMC stock. Right now it's 8.14, or it was 8.14 in the morning. Now if I look at the 52-week range, it looks like the lowest value was 7.05 and the 52-week highest value was 91.5. So if you tell me I'm going to buy this because this is so close to the lowest value, so that's like a passive investment strategy that I'm using here. Besides that, I can look at the PE ratios, the earnings per shares, the dividends. Looks like a lot of values are missing here, especially the PE ratio and the dividend. Now let's take a look at something else, some other stock. So this is an ETF. Again, the PE ratio is not applicable. Let's take a look at this Amazon stock and see how this one is doing. So in the morning the value was 131.27. Now if you want to do passive investing, just waiting and watching what goes on in the market, the lowest value over this 52-week range was 81.43 and the highest value was 145.86. Now if you want to use $5,000 to buy this stock, you can buy 5,000 over 131.27, close to 38.07 stocks. You can buy in fractions or you can buy in whole numbers. The other fundamental analysis I can look at are these ratios. Looks like the EPS ratio is 1.25. Just to let you know, a higher EPS ratio means the stock is profitable. Now this one, PE ratio is 105.02. That's quite a big number. So a low PE ratio means the stock is undervalued. But as this is quite high, I would say this stock is overvalued. Again, I'm going to look at the dividend. Looks like I do not have any. Now, something interesting, 1 year targeted estimate 170.37. So not bad. I can look at the ratings. So I can look at historical data, financials, then the conversations about this stock before trying to make any purchases. And just remember, we are doing this for fun. So this is the same thing, but we are looking at Google Finance. We can look at any of this. We can either do a passive investment strategy, look at this 52-week range, or we can look at key financial metrics like the PE ratio, the EPS, the dividend, the level of debt of this company, and then we can look at is the industry growing, is it stable, who are the competitors in this industry. Then look at the management, the corporate governance, all of this. If you play around, you can find the data. So that's the second analysis. And the third analysis was to do a technical analysis. So I clicked on charts, and this is what landed up. I clicked on indicators. There are so many. I am going to choose this one. That's the relative strength index. And this one, let's see. Let me say this is 70. This is 30. I'm changing the values here. Now, what are my RSS values? It's 41. Okay, so if the RSI, if this is above 70, I would say this everyone's buying this stock. And if it is below 30, that means people, they just want to sell this stock. But right now it's not bad, it's 41. So I still got to think about this. Should I just buy this or should I not buy this? I can also look at the support levels and the resistance levels of the stock. So support is the lowest value and resistance looks like it's at 135.35. So these are the three strategies. If you do not want to use the technical analysis, at least use this passive investment strategy, and looking at some of the fundamentals can be helpful as well. All right, thank you very much. That's all for now.